want to thank everybody who has joined us today. We are a team of the youth from Kisii, youth leaders who came to Manzoni to discuss and deliberate about the homecoming of CS Education, Ezekiel Machogu. First, I want to thank the President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency William Ruto, for according Omogusi a wonderful opportunity to serve in this country. We are so happy and we appreciate that we as Abagusi have identified him and recognized him, and also you for giving us that opportunity through Ezekiel Machogu. We have no any other person to support you except Ezekiel Machogu, who will galvanize all the entire community of Omogusi for the cause of economic development in Kisii and the country over. Also today we have an agenda that we were discussing. Your Excellency the President, we welcome you to Kisii as a youth. And also I want to say that we have elaborate plans in favor or in regard to your support, your leadership, and we are hoping to support you fully. But also we'll like that as you visit Kisii, you will have all the calmness. You will come and eat the banana, amatoke, welcome, and bring a big vehicle which will carry more for Mama Rachel, so that you can have the taste of Omogusi. And as a youth, we are asking that you consider us in terms of the youth opportunities across the region. Also remember us as you come. Meanwhile, you are very much welcome, and we appreciate you and we adore you. The people of Omogusi love you. Exemplary, good. Thank you.